The Silly Sneezing Elephant. Once upon a time, in a deep jungle, there was an elephant named Ellie. Ellie was no ordinary elephant, as she had a peculiar habit of sneezing at the most unexpected times. One day, Ellie was taking a leisurely stroll by the river when she spotted a mischievous monkey swinging from tree to tree. The monkey loved playing pranks, and he thought it would be funny to startle Ellie by jumping down right in front of her. As the monkey swung down, he yelled, "Boo!" Ellie was taken by surprise and let out a loud "Achoo!" with a mighty sneeze. The force of her sneeze was so strong that it blew the monkey away, spinning him around in the air and making him land in a bush of bananas. The monkey was covered in mashed bananas, and Ellie couldn't help but giggle at the sight. From that day on, whenever Ellie sneezed, the animals in the jungle knew to watch out for flying bananas. As the story goes, Ellie's sneezing antics continued, and she sneezed during the most unexpected moments, like when she was eating, drinking water, or even taking a nap. Each time it resulted in hilarious and messy situations for the other animals in the jungle. The animals learned to anticipate Ellie's sneezes and would scatter in all directions, covering their noses and giggling as they watched bananas, leaves, and sometimes even feathers fly through the air. Ellie became famous in the jungle as the Sneezing Elephant, and she always brought laughter and joy wherever she went. Her sneezes even helped to solve a few problems in the jungle, like clearing a blocked path or shaking ripe fruits from trees. And so, with her silly sneezes and playful personality, Ellie the elephant lived happily ever after, spreading laughter and happiness in the jungle for years to come. The end.